Hello, everybody. I just wanted to hop on to show everybody what I got in my Ipsy today. Oh, she pretty, Ipsy. Let's see what goodies we got today. Oh, them are some pretty colors. Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. Moisturizing lipstick. And it came with, hey honey, relax. Smoothing moisturizer. And with it being hot, you know your girl needs some moisturizer. Quench Hydrating Primer. We got us some hydrating primer. I don't know why it's acting like that. Hydration primer. Yeah, let me turn this off. There we go. Ooh, and we got the Glam Glow Super Mud Cleaning Treatment. And that came in this cute little bag. Glam Glow Super Mud. The Honeydew. Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. Your eyeshadow palette. And your primer. All for 12 bucks. Can't go wrong there. Thank you, Ipsy. Alright, well, I just wanted to get on here and show you guys what goodies I got today. So, I'm going to hop off here, and I will see you guys here soon. Bye. Love yous.